Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. Great to see you again.
Quick question for you. Do you ever feel nervous when you speak English?
Maybe your hands shake or your mind goes blank. Sound familiar?
If that happens to you, don't worry, you're not alone.
Exactly. Many English learners feel shy at first. But here's the good news. You can get better at this.
Today, we'll show you how to speak English with more confidence, even if you're shy.
Best of all, these tips are simple enough to start using immediately.
So before we jump into the tips, let's talk about why this happens so often. Imagine this. You're sitting in a cafe, enjoying your coffee. Suddenly, a tourist comes up to you and asks,
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Oh, can you tell me, where is the train station?
Station? I don't know. Sorry.
That's such a common reaction. Many beginners feel shy and the conversation ends very quickly. Now, picture this. You're in a meeting at work. Your manager asks a question in English.
Does anyone know the sales numbers from last month?
Maybe I know, but not sure.
Okay, anyone else?
See what happened? The learner actually knew the answer but didn't speak clearly because of fear of mistakes.
And that's the real problem. If you stay silent or cut your sentences short, you don't practice and you don't improve.
But when you speak, even with mistakes, you learn faster, people understand you more, and your confidence grows.
So let's look at the most common mistakes and how to fix them.
Mistake number 1, speaking too quietly. Many learners do this because they feel shy.
The problem is, if people can't hear you, they just say, sorry, and you get even more nervous.
Here's the wrong way. My name is Anna.
And here's the better way. Hi, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Mistake number 2, always saying, I don't know English. Many learners say this because they feel shy.
But the problem is, when you say that, the conversation stops. The other person thinks you don't want to talk.
Imagine this. Someone asks you, can you help me? And you answer, I don't know English. That's it. Conversation over.
Instead, show that you're trying. Say, I'm still learning, but I can try.
Or even, I'm still learning, but I can try. Could you speak a little more slowly?
See the difference? The first answer closes the door, but the second one opens the door to keep talking.
Mistake number 3, overthinking grammar. Many learners get stuck because they want to make the sentence perfect.
For example, you want to say something simple like going to the shop, but in your head you're thinking, which tense should I use? Do I need to? Should I say that or not? And while you're thinking, you say nothing.
That's the problem. Silence.
Instead, just say the message, even if it's simple. I go shop. People still understand you.
A better version is, I'm going to the shop.
And if you feel ready, add more. I'm going to the shop after work. Do you want to come?
And if you make a mistake, it's okay. Just fix it quickly and keep going. I go, sorry, I'm going to the shop.
The key is don't stay silent. Speaking with small mistakes is always better than saying nothing.
Okay, so mistakes are clear, but what should we do instead? Let's focus on what really works.
Tip 1. Use short sentences. When you feel nervous, your brain wants to stop. Long sentences make it even harder.
That's why short sentences are your friend. They're easy to say and still clear.
Example. Instead of, yesterday I went to the shopping center because I wanted to buy some food, but I didn't have enough money, so I only bought bread. It's too long. You'll freeze.
Just say, I went shopping yesterday. I bought some bread.
And when you feel more confident, add a little more. I went shopping yesterday. I bought some bread because I was hungry.
Tip 2. Breathe before you speak. Nervous people often rush. Your voice gets small and shaky.
If you take one deep breath before you speak, your voice sounds stronger and your mind calms down.
Example. Someone asks you for directions. Instead of panicking, breathe and say, "Yes, I can help you. The station is that way."
Or in a meeting. Sure, I have an idea. Let me explain. Breathing helps you sound confident, not scared.
Tip 3. Practice with easy starters. When you're shy, the first words are the hardest. That's why sentence starters are so useful.
Use simple openers, like, I think, in my opinion, or for me, to break the silence.
Examples. I think English is fun. In my opinion, this movie is too long. For me, mornings are difficult.
Another one. From my experience, it's better to practice a little every day. These openers give you a safe way to start speaking.
Tip 4. Pretend you're talking to a friend. Nervous learners imagine a big audience judging them. That makes them freeze.
Instead, picture your best friend in front of you. Your body relaxes and the words come out naturally.
Example. Instead of robotic, "Good morning, I am fine, thank you," say, "Hey, I'm good, thanks. How about you?"
Or, instead of formal, "This food is acceptable," say it like to a friend. "This food is really good."
See? Each of these tips helps you fight nervousness step by step.
And the best part, you can start practicing them right now.
All right, now that you've seen the tricks, it's your turn to try. You've seen how nervous learners react in a cafe or in a meeting. Now let's practice the kind of sentences that can help you in those moments.
Repeat after me. I'm still learning, but I can try.
Great! That's a useful sentence if a tourist asks you something in English and you feel shy. Now repeat this one. I think I can answer.
Excellent! That's exactly what you can say in a meeting when you want to speak but feel nervous. And now let's practice with 3 words: coffee, nervous, movie. Use them to make your own short sentences about speaking English. Our examples:
I feel nervous when a tourist asks me for directions in English.
I drink coffee before English class, so I feel more confident to speak.
I was nervous to talk about the movie in English, but I tried anyway.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video if you need more time and create your own sentences with these words. Perfect! These are real situations, cafes, meetings, or just friendly talks.
And the more you try, the less nervous you'll feel each time.
Let's quickly look back at what we learned today about speaking English when you feel shy or nervous.
Remember the café? The learner answered so quietly that the tourist couldn't really hear. That was mistake number 1.
And then in the meeting, the learner stayed silent even though they knew the answer. That was mistake number 2.
hiding behind "I don't know English."
And mistake number 3, overthinking grammar. The learner wanted the perfect sentence, but ended up saying nothing.
We fixed these by making small but powerful changes. Speak a little louder so people can hear you. Use positive sentences like, "I'm still learning, but I can try," and focus on the message, not perfection.
Then we added strategies to make speaking feel easier. Short sentences so you don't freeze, breathing before you speak to calm your nerves, sentence starters like, "I think," to break the silence, and pretending you're talking to a friend to stay relaxed.
And here's our bonus tip. Record yourself speaking.
Exactly. Whether it's a cafe role play, a meeting answer, or just a short daily sentence, recording shows you that you sound much better than you imagine, and each recording is proof of progress.
So if you take only one thing from today, let it be this. Even with mistakes, speaking out loud is always better than staying silent. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They're not failures. They're steps forward.
Every small step counts. Even one sentence today makes you better than yesterday.
So what's one sentence you will try today? Write it in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next lesson.
We're your daily duo.
And your English-speaking buddies.
Keep practicing. See you next time.